Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro, and let me share with you how to use double tap to wake up your device and then how to turn it off. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find lock screen. Here we've got the option double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. So let's simply make sure that it is turned on just by tapping on the switcher. And now we can lock our device, because this is how it works. It will not work whilst I'm tapping on the screen when the device is turned on. So let me lock it. And now after double tap it should wake up. And it did, which is great. And now after double tap it should turn off. And it worked. So basically this is how to turn on the double tap option in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.